Welcome to how to use Moodle mobile app video tutorial. First we need to install Moodle mobile app using App Store or Play Store. Search the Moodle mobile and install it to a mobile device. So open the Moodle mobile app. So after installing Moodle mobile app, it is required to connect to a learning site. Give the URL as mentioned in the instruction sheet. Once connect to the Moodle learning site, app is asking username and password to log using your user account and password, and click on login. Once you log to the app, you will be displayed the course overview page of the Moodle mobile app. It includes two tabs, timeline and courses. Courses include all the courses you allowed to follow on the Moodle learning site, which you provided to this Moodle mobile app when you log in. Once you click on a course, you can see the main section or topics in the course. Tap on the section heading to view its content. I tap on about this course, so we can see the content in about this course topic. And if you want to see all content in that course, you need to tap on all sections heading. So you will be displayed all the contents in this course using all section. After following or completing a particular section, you can tap on the checkbox at in front of that particular content. It will update you a percentage of the course completion. You can access audio or videos.
At some point in your career as a student,
and PDFs and text materials in the content of a course at any time, anywhere with your preference. When you tap on vertical dot icon menu at top right on a particular course, you will be displayed download courses, competencies, participants, grades and notes. So download course will help you to access course when offline, and using participant you can interact learners and educated by sending emails and messages. So you can send an email to or send a message using participant section. Right. So it will be received by Kamal Palida. And also a left hand side navigation draw icon help you to access course overview, site home, grades, notification, messages, calendar events, my files, Moodle learning website and get help. So course overview displays courses which you allowed to access, and site home includes all available courses on this learning site, as well as among them courses which you are allowed to access, and grades will show what are the grades you have obtained so far, and notification will notify the important notification such as updates from Moodle org website or Moodle website, and calendar events are displaying important deadlines or course deadline or assignment deadline kind of important events. and my files is the place where our files uploaded. And website is very important. Learners can access learning website or Moodle learning website linked to this Moodle mobile app through mobile devices. Especially teachers and Moodle administrators has facilities to access Moodle learning website to update content as well as create courses through mobile devices. Admin can log in to the site using mobile device, and he can create courses, and so administrators and teachers will be able to create courses and create content using mobile devices. Finally, we will be able to access the Moodle website and access to documentation and other Moodle supports. So that's it, how to use Moodle mobile app. Thank you for joining.